With the first anniversary of the Galaxy A54 almost upon us, Samsung is undoubtedly busy putting the finishing touches on the Galaxy A55. While there is no official information on when Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy A55, we're getting more evidence that the phone could be unveiled around the same time its predecessor was announced last year. Earlier this week, a support page for the A55 went live on the Samsung Portugal website. Now, Samsung Netherlands has a support page for the phone as well, suggesting that an official launch is imminent. But, as always, these support pages don't offer any information about the phone's specs or features. But we already know a lot about the A55 thanks to rumors, leaks, and online benchmarks. The most interesting thing about the A55 is going to be the Exynos 1480, which will be Samsung's first mid-range chipset with an AMD-powered GPU and should enable superior gaming performance that we don't often see on the Korean giant's mid-range handsets. The A55 is also likely to be the first Samsung phone after the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra to come with One UI 6.1 out of the box. However, it remains to be seen if the A55 will have some of the AI features that make the Galaxy S24 series stand out from the competition. In terms of design, the Galaxy A55 looks similar to the Galaxy S24 but has what Samsung is calling Key Island, which is a raised edge around the volume and power buttons on the right side of the phone. The A55 will also feature a metal frame which will complement the glass back that Samsung introduced on the A54 last year and further enhance the in-hand feel. So that's it. What do you think about that? Let us know in the comments section below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Touch you in the next one. Peace out.